Question number 6. P and Q leave the same point traveling in the same direction. P and Q are two objects, two cars, whatever it is. The graph shows the variation with time t of the velocity v, both P and Q. It's a Vt graph is shown. One is showing a linear graph. The other one is showing something like a trapezoidal one. Okay. What is the distance between P and Q when t is equal to 8 seconds? What is the distance between P and Q when t equal to 8 seconds? So what is that you need to do? When a Vt graph is given, how do you find distance? Find the area under the curve. Okay. So find the area. What is the area here? Take this area. What is this area? The whole thing. From where to where? From this triangle, from here. T equal to 8 to 0. What is the total distance? So this should be, let me write down here. SQ would be equal to half BH. Half BH. What is half? Half multiplied by base. What is the base here? 8 seconds multiplied by height here. Height is 40. So which should be 2 1s are 2 4s are, which should be 160 meters. This is the distance traveled by Q. Now similarly, I want to find the distance traveled by P. So what is the distance traveled by P? So this is a trapezoid here, right? So which should be half into D into A plus B, where D is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. Okay, this is D here. What is the value of D here? It starts from 0, goes until 20. So now I write this as half into 20 into, what is A? A is one of length of the one of the parallel side. So this one. So what is this here? 8, and this is 1 here. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 plus B. What's the value of B? B is 8 here, and this is 3 here. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 over here. So this should be 10 into 7 plus 5 should be 12, which should be equal to 120 meter. What is the question here? What is the distance between? Which means what? I should find out what is SQ minus SP, which would be 160 minus 120. 160 minus 120 should be equal to 40 meter. So answer should be 40 meter. Answer is 40 meter. Okay.